Yo, what's up guys? It's Mapler here. Just wanted to quickly go over the pressure advanced tuning settings for Klipper. The biggest issue that a lot of people make, or run into more so when they're tuning pressure advance, is not knowing what settings to enter and running these test towers without actually running a pressure advance command. The order of operations when you're printing these things is the easiest way to do it is go to klipper3d.org/pressure_advanced. And what you do is you copy this first command, and this sets the velocity and the acceleration of your printer to be a little bit lower. And then you copy the tuning tower command. This one's for direct drive, and then there's also one for Bowden extruders. And then you click print. As you can see, this runs through and adjusts the pressure advance settings for each of the layer heights and goes through and advances it a little bit, and you go back later and measure and compare your results. So with this one here, you can see that I started the tuning test, I opened it and started the print, and then it started at the first layer and slowly increases the pressure advance setting, and by the time your print is done, you'll be able to calculate it from the given height versus the wanted height. Thank you, and that's all I wanted to talk about today. Have a good one.